So what's up, guys? Hey, it's like 5 a.m. and I'm like so hyper and I'm like, this candy is just insanity. My candy. Hey, you don't get any candy? Fine, because, you know, look at my sweatshirt, it says nothing sweeter, so here, have a peppermint. I'm so sweet. Psha. Okay, so look at this. You get it? Nothing sweeter because there's like nuts, chipmunks. What's wrong with your face? You're just like, oh no. Oh no. Oh, she's 3 pounds. Ow. Okay. So this jacket is like so hood. It's so fly. Come on, you wanna go? You wanna go? Aww. Oh, she's so down. That's right, biatch. Wanna go? Pick that peppermint up. Psha, child. Okay. So, our next segment. Allison, I think you need to go spit those out before you choke. No. Okay, so guess what? What? Hi! Oh. Hey, look at this. Oh, gimme! Is this what I think it is? For Chick-fil-A. Look at this. You see this? It's a free breakfast. What? You gotta be joking me. Man. Okay, if this was a real, like, a Chick-fil-A sandwich I could've gotten, I would've been like this. Rolling around. Okay, but you know what? You can just forget that because this is for breakfast. You know I hate breakfast. I never eat breakfast. This is insane. This is just insane. I am not accepting a breakfast.